So we made it to the kitchen. Let me check my phone real quick because I can't even see the chat. Oh, it doesn't actually look that bad. It looks pretty good. So is the plan first he cooks his dinner, then he eats it? Yes, exactly. That's the plan. So we're going to cook our dinner. We're going to be making shoyu ramen. To make shoyu ramen, you need like a bunch of things. Yeah, aroma oil, seasoning oil, broth, the noodles, hard-boiled egg, and then we're going to make chicken katsu. Anyways, we got to start on the noodles because the noodles are actually going to take the longest because it has to rest for an hour. So the first thing we need is this, which is alkaline salt, which you basically get from baking baking powder for an hour, which I did yesterday because I wasn't gonna wait. I've never seen anyone sit and cook before. Well, listen, man, we struggling out here. Slowly, spilt like a raw spaghetti noodle. Yo, what the? Yo, you guys are violating, bro. I feel like I should just use my hands. Okay, it needs more water for sure. Okay, that might have been too much water. It's alright. We'll make it work. Add more flour. We just add more flour. We just add more flour. That's it. That's all we have to do. Just add more flour. Yeah, there we go. See, look. There we go. That looks good. That looks way better. No, you don't want this to be too salty. That's the thing. And then sprinkle of sugar. We actually might need more of this though, because I'm making 4 cups, so we're gonna do this 2 more times. Let me taste it now. Yeah, it's way better. That's way better. There we go. That's what we needed. Just cut from side of the green. No, you cut over here. It's this part. What are you guys saying? I cut the white off. Oil up the pan, you know what I'm saying? Misses the bowl entirely. Yeah, listen to that. Okay, how am I gonna do to stop breaking the eggs? The last one. So for 6 minutes. Oh shit, I got it. Oh.
Hello. Okay. We'll stop here.
Yeah, Lesley has the new retro shirt.
Oh no.
Show us your Care Bear? What even is that? Bonito flakes, which is dried tuna, and then dried kelp. So this is what the broth is going to be made out of. It's complicated.
You got it?
This time you guys have a better view, hopefully. Bro, I am the ramen master, bro. We got the soup going along. We just need it to boil. And then we got the chicken. We already got 1 chicken done. Look at that. So yeah, we'll just use all of it. Alright. So this is like the flavoring, basically. Alright guys, we're not done yet. We're almost done though. What does it say?
How was the broth?
The broth was very tasty.
Okay. And the noodles?
Had a nice flavor to it. The noodles were done just right. They won't clump together.
One clump together.
The chicken was outstanding.
Yeah, it tastes like, it felt like, you know, like the
couldn't-
breading was
It was
really
just
good.
like having it in the restaurant.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Very
Because
good.
that's Gil's
You
favorite.
know the soup is tuna, right?
I tasted the fish.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. No, it tasted a lot.
Really?
Yeah. And
I tried to hide it with the ginger booze.
And it tastes like, well, you didn't put enough ginger in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that was what that was.
Yeah.
And it tastes like, had mushroom in it.
Oh. It was kelp.
Was that kelp?
Dried kelp, yeah. A fungi.
It was good. It was tasty.